Meeta Banker here from Pune. I'm staying here in Pune in a joint family with my mother-in-law, my husband, my two sons, daughter-in-law and grandson. Working with Manipal Signa, I am very much happy with that. And product range also Manipal Signa has designed in such a way, all the ages or all kind of the, let's say illnesses, the product is being treated in that segments. Now Manipal and Signa both are actually leaders in their own segments and doing fantastically in health insurance industry. They are designing their products according to the need of the market, being in this industry from since 2002. So on a daily basis, I am just tackling the every kind of the segment of the society. अचीवमेंट ऐसा है, देखो स्लोली जैसे मैंने 2002 में शुरू किया था, तभी कभी भी सोचा नहीं था कि ये जो फील्ड है देयर इज नो लिमिट टू द स्काईज, ऐसे काइंड ऑफ फील्ड है. हमारे कंपनी ने हमको वो साउथ अफ्रीका लेके गए. विथ एनी कंपनी कहीं ग्लोबली कहीं पे ट्रैवल करना है, ये सबसे बड़ा अचीवमेंट था. ये कंपनी हमको पूरी तरह से स्पॉन्सर करके लेके गई है. ये एक्स्ट्रा रिवार्ड्स भी हमको वहाँ पे मिलते हैं कि अगर हम लोग स्लोली हमारा बिजनेस बढ़ाए तो. आई हैव अचीव्ड वन माइलस्टोन वेयर I can firmly stand and tell everyone there is no limit to the sky. ये female advisors अगर सोचते हैं तो उनमें जो dedication रहती है, उनमें जो honesty रहती है, women advisor always more dedicated to their profession. Female advisors also can do equivalent to the male advisors. ये कंपनी कैसे हेल्पफुल और सपोर्टिव है, इसके बारे में मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देना चाहूँगी. आई हैड वन क्लाइंट हु इज NRI and he is being with Manipal from last 4-5 years and he always renew all the policies on the time. But once he was abroad and there was a renewal, so he could not do the renewal due to some technical things, time zone gaps of the two countries. He could not renew at time. His daughter got the pains for the appendix and we had to admit her in the Ruby hospital. But being the rules of the company that if you have not renewed the policy, you will not get the claims. Okay, but with this particular issue, Manipal did me all kind of the support. We have settled the claim for rupee to rupee. We have settled the whole claim, and client was very much happy with the services we had given to him. We are getting a good support from the Pune head office also and the other head offices also. There are people to support you, there are products to support you, there are many opportunities for you to earn more. We all concerned with this Manipal Signa and we are growing as the company is growing. I just want to thank you to everyone.